Yesterday, I made a batch of my favorite chocolate fudge sauce, and I thought of you guys. I want you to be able to make this. So that's what we're gonna do today. I wanna show you this texture. Look at this, it's smooth and creamy. It has this shiny, beautiful finish. It tastes absolutely amazing. I will show you how you can use it when it's warm and pourable, or to get to this beautiful thick dollop stage. Either way, I am in love with this stuff and I can't wait to get started. The recipe is in the description below. Print that out and you can follow along. First, you'll need a small saucepan and a whisk. Into the saucepan, add a half cup of heavy cream, 120 milliliters, a third cup of light corn syrup, that's 80 milliliters, a quarter cup of dark brown sugar packed, 50 grams, and a quarter cup of Dutch processed cocoa. Make sure that you sift it. That's 25 grams. Whisk this really well until you have it combined. Put it over medium heat and bring this to a light simmer. Once you see it bubbling softly, allow it to bubble and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. This will dissolve the sugar crystals and bloom the cocoa. Now remove it from the heat. You'll add in 3 ounces of finely chopped bittersweet chocolate, that's 85 grams. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 milliliters, and a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, that's 1.5 grams. Put the lid on the pan and let your mixture just sit for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the lid. Give this a really good stir until you're sure all of the ingredients are smooth and combined, making sure all your little bits of chocolate are melted and everything is smooth. Stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, that's 28 grams. Stir until this is all smooth and combined, and then pour the sauce into a bowl or container and let it sit at room temperature for a dollop consistency. So this chocolate sauce is very versatile and has many different ways you can use it. I wanted to show you this. It's been sitting for 5 to 10 minutes and my kitchen is cool, so it's cooling nicely. You don't want to use it when it's just super hot. So here's a way to check. Just run your finger along the back of the spoon, and if that little row that you make stays, it is ready to be used. And of course, this is 24 hours old, and this stuff is just absolutely amazing. This is more like if you want to use it for dollops on something, but either way, this is a beautiful, versatile chocolate sauce with many different options. I'm going to pour this onto some vanilla ice cream. I am taking a bite of this. I can't wait. This is absolutely amazing. I can't use any other words than just amazing. You have to give this a try. One of my other favorite ways to use this sauce is on my mini chocolate cheesecakes. Check out the link here. I look forward to baking with you in the next video.